You'll want to get your smartphone out and keep it locked to cycle drag for this video, because we're going to show you what happens when a turbo Hayabusa snaps a chain. You know, as motorcycle riders, we take so many things for granted. There are so many things that can go wrong. Sometimes we forget about how vitally important the chain is back there. Let's take you to World Wide Technology Raceway Park, formerly Gateway. This is the Pro Street Motorcycle category, NHDRO series. St. Louis, Missouri. That is Rudy Sanzatera near lane alongside Brett Ware far lane. There goes Rudy up and out of here. Brett drifts out of frame. Top end, nice fast pass for Rudy. Uh-oh, ladies and gentlemen, we got a broken chain. Snapped it. Let's go assess this damage. Thank goodness that wasn't down track. Well, we've got a tangled mess, and he's got a lot of polishing and powder coating on that bike. Let's be careful.
Hold on. Roll the bike back so you can. There you go. All right, hold on. Stretch that swing arm. 900 hours of polish. I didn't know what happened. I didn't know.
Did it break at the master?
It did, sir.
Master link.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Thank goodness you're okay. That could have gone a lot worse,
Yeah.
huh?
Could have been a lot worse. Could have been a lot better, too. I could have beat Rudy. I would have made me happy.
Down here? Yeah, a little bit here.
What do you want me to do?
Close to the walls, you
Push
can,
down.
just straight back.
Stay with us in this video because we're going to assess the bike. Let's hope it didn't hit the cases. This is a situation that every motorcycle rider dreads.
It's your fault. I told you to check that.
Rudy's fucking used chains, Brett.
This one was new.
Giving Brett a hard time. We want to know, have you ever broken a chain? If you have, let us know in the comments. Boy, this is a tough crowd out here,
I know, they're hard on me.
What do you think happened? Just
It has too many passes on it, I guess.
what kind of chain was that?
That one is an EK.
Wow, they're usually pretty dang good, huh?
Yeah.
Go ahead, check it out.
Oh, it's not so hot. It's got oil coming out of it. There should be a ground around here somewhere.
I got one. That's what I'm trying to push you back.
She's gone.
Dang. Well, like I said, thank goodness that wasn't down the top end, huh?
Yeah, I know. That could have been nasty.
Especially considering this chain wrapped around the rear wheel. That's one of the worst case scenarios. Typically when a chain breaks, a motorcycle will spit it off and it will come off behind you.
It might just be that shifter cover. Yeah. All right, let me go try and find the ground. I got it.
Yeah, there's a big hole in it.
Thanks, buddy.
You got it, man. But
It does got a big hole. Look, Brett, it has a big hole right here.
Oh, well, they got 8 other motors.
oh no, cracked the motor. Definitely see some oil. Might have got the cases.
That's racing. I don't need any fuel for this. Feels just like my bike. I don't need a fuel for this. I'm not going to push me back.
The Pro Ultra champion for 2019, and Nicky said he won by 1 point.
Hollywood.
So yesterday's qualifying did it all. In the winner, I'll tell you in a minute.
Pun intended here. Tough break for Brett. This is getting more and more expensive. It's a tough one, but like I said, he's leaving with house money. He's leaving with the blessing that this did not happen at speed. Hate to see a broken chain, huh?
Oh, yeah. We got one back there right now with a broken chain.
Oh, how's that happen? Just they stretch or fail?
Mostly the heavy guys, you know, that put so much, they need chain rollers on them. We don't have a chain roller on it, but we'll get it fixed. Didn't hurt nothing else. That was a good thing.
Thank goodness.
That's rare. We're getting ready to run the dirt bike.
See the little dirt bike we got there running?
Oh. Jeremy's making a top secret call.
Yep.
And that is Teasley's Z125 that you can see here on the Cycle Drag YouTube channel. You can also see a whole lot more when it comes to fast turbo Hayabusas. We've got you covered. Please let us know if you've ever broken a chain. I can tell you I've broken one out in the woods. It's a lot of pushing back to the truck, unfortunately. But we will keep you posted on all things motorcycles. Make sure you subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. Make sure you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. And we've got much, much more coming. Let's hope none of you out there break any more chains. We've got more coming from NHDRO St. Louis as well. Hit subscribe, smash the bell. Let us know where you're watching from. Thanks so much for the feedback. More coming your way, Moto fans.